Can we please just get a robot vacuum with all the bells and whistles from last year, but at half the price? We can. Let's get started. Eureka decided to sponsor this video so I can check out their J15 Ultra robot vacuum, and honestly, it made it really easy. I love when a brand comes in and undercuts other brands by giving a lot of great features for a much lower price. So let's go through all the features, shall we? First, we have AI obstacle avoidance with upgraded cameras. 2, we have extending mop brushes to get the edges and corners so you never have to. 3, 19,000 pascals of suction. And finally, a never tangle brush so you don't get hair tangled up in the brush like the old robot vacuums used to. These were features that were seriously coming in the high-end models from last year, and those range from about $1,300 to $1,800 when I checked them out. This model, spoiler alert, price point is at $699, and that isn't even on sale, which it might be at the time you click this video. So make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest discount. So first up, AI obstacle avoidance. This is really important because you don't want to have to clean up in order for your robot to clean up. And the cameras on here are really good. I had some of my son's toys around, as well as the shoes. It was able to go around them, even in a darker area. Plus, I love the fact that not only does it have lights on board to make sure it can see, but it'll actually tell me what it thinks it is. So it did correctly detect the shoes and a pedestal where my son's tablet is as well. So love the fact that I don't have to clean everything up and can schedule my robot without fear. One of the best features that came out last year was the extending mop brushes. I love this just because it is going to be able to extend to the corners so you don't have to get them. It makes it really nice, easy, and convenient just so that it gets all the edges and all the corners. In old robot vacuums, you used to have to clean up after the robot vacuum. With this kind of innovation, you don't have to because it makes sure to get every angle and every corner. It has 19,000 pascals of suction power, so it was able to actually complete our ridiculous big mess test. And I love this because I will admit that I did lay out more crumbs than I normally do. I just got out of hand a little bit, but I was still impressed by how much it was able to clean by the end. I always really appreciate the feature of being able to detect the type of mess and its area. Because it's able to lift the mop head when it needs to. For a big mess like this, it just auto lifted it. Plus, it will also auto lift if it has wet or dry messes, besides being able to obviously lift them when you're in specific areas like carpet zones or anything like that. It detects it all, so again, you don't have to worry about, oh, it's wet, I'm gonna have the brush spinning around, or it's carpet area, so the mop head has to lift. It will do it all for you. You don't need to worry about it. It also has an anti-tangle flexi razor brush, which makes sure that it will never get hair clumps wrapped around the brush, causing issues. It has these fine little blades, which cuts at apparently 400 times per minute. So yeah, less hassle for me to have to deal with. It's going to cut any hairs that me or any of my family leave behind. It has a really long battery life too, at 240 minutes, so 2 hours. It really takes a smart vacuum over an hour to clean my house for the most part, or at least what I have it clean. But it's nice to know that if I ever want to do a really deep cleaning or clean the entire house back to back, I'm able to with probably just one charge. It also has low maintenance, which to me means everything. It self-cleans through a large bag of dirt around the house, plus it has clean and dirty water containers, so it can auto wash with hot water and then dry off the mop with hot air. This means you have up to 75 days before you need to empty anything. I personally love this just so the fact that I don't have to get the bag out or take the water out every other day or even every other week. I can literally wait a month, even 2 months to be able to have to do it. This is really great for me. And of course, it depends on how often you clean. And speaking of how often you clean, that is where the app comes in, because you can schedule it to clean once a week, twice a week, whatever you think is necessary. And this model takes low maintenance to another level. Besides automatically taking care of everything, it's the first model that I've actually seen where you can manually self-empty the dirt, manually mop wash, and manually air dry. I like having extra features like this. Even if I'm not using them now, I like the fact that I know I can use them later if need be. Now, you do have all the traditional settings as well. such as no-go zone settings, so you can actually make sure that it doesn't go anywhere you don't want it to. For me, this is typically like pedestals that a robot vacuum sometimes climb up on, so I definitely do that. It also has room management and furniture editing, so you can actually specifically design which rooms are which, and this comes in handy when you're planning out your cleaning, such as, like, I just needed to clean the main places people are gonna go to, such as the living room, the kitchen, hallway, and the bathroom, and that's it, nothing else. And that way it allows you to do something much quicker than needing to do the whole house. Besides that, you can set up modes like we talked about earlier with deep cleaning and stain recognition. This means if you have a specific dirty spot, it will actually spend more time making sure that it gets fully clean, and this is really good. Plus, being able to recognize when it needs to lift up either your mop or your brush, so as to not make a bigger mess than you typically would. And then finally, it gives you access to take over the camera that's on board the vacuum itself, which I always love because it's kind of doubles as a security camera for inside your house. It just takes over and you can see what's going on at home when you're away, and you usually wouldn't expect it. Just make sure you let your kids know if you're testing it so they won't get scared. In the app, you also have voice control because you can connect this to the Alexa voice assistant or the Google Home Assistant, which I really like because when I'm not home and if I have company coming over, I can just tell Google from my phone to clean the house or clean a specific living area like the living room and kitchen before they get there. All this at half the cost. I'm really impressed by this just because it's been 1 year and we have seen a huge leap in features that were just introduced last year, now being given at this price point of $699. Again, that's normal price, not even including sale prices. So for me, this is one of the best parts about technology, when we can really see prices come down and still have the same results, right? We can have it being able to extend the mop and still clean from edge to edge, being able to have low maintenance, being able to have great obstacle avoidance so that it doesn't need it to clean for you. This is a big thing to me just because I love to see technology come in lower price. I think we can all appreciate a good price and deal, and this really is one of them. To me, the J15 Ultra is a product that I would definitely recommend and would suggest anyone check out if they are looking to have all the bells and whistles but don't necessarily want to spend over $1,000 to get them. But let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. If you've seen other vacuums start to get these features, please let me know in the comment section. If there's a model that I should compare to this one or to the next Eureka model we are going to be checking out in a couple weeks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.